Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to slow-mo on CapCut. So guys, at first select the video that you want to edit and then tap on the video clip. Now tap on speed, tap on normal. Now set the value to 0.3. Now go to copy and select overlay. Now align the second clip over the first one. Now you need to trim this video 0.1 second. Now play the video. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.